Coming to the third question, in right angle triangle LMN, angle LMN is 90 degrees, angle L is 50 degrees and angle N is 40 degrees. Write the following ratios. Now LMN is 90 degrees, means angle M is a right angle. Angle L is 50, angle N is 40 degree. We have to find the following ratio. Now you will see here, when the question is asked, they have referred to the angle and not the vertex. Okay, so we have to consider it according to that. If they mention 50 degrees, means they are referring to vertex L. If they consider 40 degrees, means they are referring to vertex N. So according to that, we will write the answer. First of all, we have to identify the hypotenuse, which is opposite to the right angle. So here Ln is the hypotenuse. So we write that. After we write it, now we go to sine 50 degrees. Sine is opposite upon hypotenuse. So we write opposite side to angle 50 degrees, or opposite side to 50 degrees upon the hypotenuse. Okay, so now here opposite side to 50 degrees upon the hypotenuse. Opposite to 50 degrees is side MN. Hypotenuse is Ln. So we have here Mn upon Ln. Okay, so this is clear. Now coming to cos 50 degrees. Cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So when we write here, what will we write? Adjacent side to 50 degrees upon hypotenuse. So we write here adjacent side to 50 degree upon the hypotenuse. Then we look at the figure. Here we have 50 degree. Adjacent to it is side LM. Hypotenuse is Ln. So it is Lm upon Ln. So I write here Lm upon Ln. Next we go to tan 40 degrees. Now the acute angle is changed. We are gone to 40 degrees, and tan is opposite side upon adjacent side, that is opposite side to 40 degree now upon adjacent side to 40 degree. So I write opposite side to 40 degree upon adjacent side to 40 degree. Now here you have 40 degree is the angle. Opposite side to it is Lm. Adjacent side is this side, Mn. Okay, so Lm upon Mn. So we write here Lm upon Mn. Okay, so opposite side upon adjacent side. Now going to cos 40 degrees. It is adjacent side to 40 degree upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side to 40 degree upon the hypotenuse. So we look at the figure and see which is the adjacent side to 40 degree, that is Mn, which is the hypotenuse, that is Ln. So Mn upon Ln. So here I write Mn upon Ln. So here we have all the four trigonometric ratios: sine 50 degree, cos 50 degree, tan 40 degree and cos 40 degree.